Hi guys, priming the Lifesaver bottle. So this is the Liberty bottle that we've had from Lifesaver. So I just go through the priming process with you. So if anybody does get one, then you know, who reads instructions, you just go straight on YouTube and watch a tutorial. So out of the box, tutorial, different languages. So we're just going to go through the priming process. So okay, so what we're going to do, open up the bottle, now I filled it just, don't know if you can see that, there you go, just for that. When you do sit it in, displacement. Okay, bottle's full. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
So you're in 5 minutes. Alexa, cancel timer. Okay, so 5 minutes. So all we do now is discard that water. Some water into the filler. Again, stopping just about an inch away from the top. Okay, so we're going to give it 2 pumps. Then open up the water. And we're just going to empty the bottle. You can see through the windows. There's one on this side, one on this side. We can starting off the flow with down a bit. Okay, shut off the water, open the top, repeat that process. See there, I've gone a bit over on that one, so this should overflow. Of course, then if you're doing that with dirty water, you might have contaminant running down your bottle, so you'd have the top done up. As this is clean water. Okay, open up the top again, pump the water in. You can see now the flow rate is a lot better. valve, screw the top back on, open it back up, and repeat those steps. Okay, so we've repeated steps 4 and 5, and then it says your Liberty bottle is now ready to use. So okay, 1, 2, 3, back up top, over there. So, 1 cup of filtered water. No. Get a kettle on. A filtered cup of tea. Okay, just as the water comes to boil, so there is some water left in here now, so if you're going to store your bottle, just leave some water. Just check. So splash of water in there. Wipe down. I'm not going to keep it in the garage because the temperatures are dropping at the moment, so I'll keep it in the house. That does come with a antimicrobial coating, so if you do get any nasties on there, they won't live on there for long. And that's it basically. So the bottle is primed and ready to filter. Got a nice flame coming off there. Hang on. Nice flame coming off the outside stove. I'll bring you back when the kettle's boiled. Okay, we've come to a boil. Nice rolling boil. Filtered water, a nice cup of tea. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Okay, make that steep. So I'm just waiting for my cup of tea to steep. There we are, 5 minutes. Alexa, cancel timer. I hope that meets to your approval, odds. Nice. Safe, clean drinking water. That's it for now, so that's just the priming process. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you on the next one.